So students, today I will teach you, I will finish the chapter, that is the chapter name is charts in Excel. So are you able to see the picture, that means the screen? Are you able to see the screen? Are you listening me?
Yes.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, watch this screen, and I am just started the class. Very easy class is of today. So students, these are the students and their mark are mentioned over here. So first step is how you can make the chart. You can understand, this is very easy question. How you can make the chart. So what are the steps for making? Select the range of cells from worksheet that contain the source data from the chart. For example, select that and click on insert and go to the chart tab as you do regularly. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
It is easy or not?
Easy.
Just select this one, go to insert. There are this one chart and you can select any type of chart. Click on column chart, you can select it column chart. The first exercise is completed. Okay? Is it clear to
Yes.
you? Okay. One more thing. If I am here, there are layout, different layouts. If you go to layout, then there are chart, title, access, legend, data table, everything is here. If you go to format, then you can do the styles for your text. If you go to design, then what happened? You can do different designs for your chart. Okay? Okay, friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose if the selected chart is not showing you the chart title, so how you can insert the chart title? Just go to select this one, go to the layout, and there are chart title. And if you do none, then you can see the marks is removed. If you go to the centered quarterly, you get the marks. So by the chart title, there are axis titles also. You can write the horizontal name. If you do none, then what happened, because nothing is over here, so that's why. But you can primarily horizontal title below access, you can write access title like name, sorry, name, wait, it's writing, but it is taking time. Again, let me do it. Go to layout and go to axis, title below axis, name, name of the student. Okay, so you can write the x-axis title also. Is it clear? Clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, in the same way, go to the layout, and if you want to write the y-axis, then you can also write the y-axis name. Okay? Like this one, marks of the students. Okay? Okay, students? So you can do
Yes.
different styles also. Next, there are no legends. There are one legend. and so legends right, you can show it on the right side. So legend at the top, that legend will move to the top. So these type of things you can do, I think.
Sir,
Yes.
you have written only one data.
I have entered only one data. Just see here. Okay. So next one, moving, resizing, deleting charts in Excel. How you can move the chart? So first you click the chart by clicking on it. To move the chart, place the cursor on the chart. This one. A forehead arrow appears. This forehead, you can see this forehead. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the mouse. Can you see this forehead? Forehead arrows appears. This is mouse.
Where sir?
Can you see this forehead?
Design on the yes, yes.
No, this mouse.
Yes.
Four arrow in the on the mouse.
Yes, yes.
So press and drag it in order to move the chart in any direction. Just press this or click. You just move the chart. You can move it anywhere. Are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
To resize the chart, how you can resize? Go to the corner and just resize it. You can big, you can do it small, like this one. Clear? Clear or not?
Sir, yes. No. One thing not clear.
Okay. Just go with your mouse to the corner side. You went on corner side?
Yes.
Okay. Double click and then move. Then increase or decrease according to your choice. This one.
Sir,
Yes.
how this mark came like dark color and bold?
This one.
Yes.
Basically, you can do it by the, sorry, wait. You can do it, go to the format and, or you can go to the home and do it in a small color. You can see here, this is going to small. Okay. And you can do unbold it. Just, you can see. Are you satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next one is how you can delete the chart. Just go to select the chart and press delete key. Delete. This chart is deleted. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Again I am selecting. I am clicking F11. F11. You get a chart. Which button I click? F11. Remember this. Which button I click? F11.
F11.
Yes. So next one is, student, how you can change the plot area background. So do you know what are plot area? This complete is chart area, and if you select this one, this is plot area. Do you know this thing?
Yes. Yes.
So how you can change the background, how you can change the color of the border, how you can change style, everything, how you can change the plot, how you can change of the plot area. So just select this plot area. Next go to the format. There are shape fill. You can change the color like this, yellow. You can see here, this plot area right now of which color? Red color.
Yes.
Okay. So go again to format and shape fill. You can do pictures also. You can apply the picture. So if you have any pictures in your computer, let me see the picture. Okay, this is my picture. So this is applied in the plot area. Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes.
So you can do everything. Shape effect, shape outline, that means the weight, the dashes, you can change it. Shape fill, you can change it. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
So next one is, student, by default the fill tab is selected. That means if you go to select fill, right click on the plot area, you can change it by the right click on the plot area also. Wait, there is the water is coming, raining very, it's raining very, that means highly. So let me save my computer. Just wait. Is it raining at your home also?
Yes.
It's heavy raining over here. Heavy, very heavy.
Here not heavy.
It's very heavy, very heavy. My laptop is just uh, let me dry it by cloth. So students, what I explained, one thing I was explaining to you, you can change the plot style by right click on the plot area. Just right click, go to the format plot area. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
Click on this. You will get no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or textual fill, automatic fill. So you can do everything. Suppose if I do textual fill, so I will get the textual like this one. This one. Watch this. I think right now you understood how much thing you can do. Can you do these things practically by yourself?
Yes.
Very good, very good. I'm happy. I'm very happy to listen. Next one, inserting the chart title. How you can insert the chart title? I already explained to you. I explained Ojasvi or not?
What, sir?
Chart title. How you can insert the chart title? I think I explained. If you
Yes.
remember,
Yes. Yes.
how I can do? Go to the layout. Click on chart title. Clear?
Yes.
The next one is how you can format the chart title. How you can format the chart title. Format means format means, students,
Delete.
no. Format means you provide some styles to the chart title. Go to
Yes.
here, you go to here, select the chart title and click on chart title button in the labels.
In format.
In the labels, this is labels, click on chart title. Group under layout tab, a drop down menu will appear. This one. Wait. Select the more title option. More title option is here. Yes one. Click on here. You will get the different style like gradient. Suppose if I do this one. Okay. You can see here. This is different color. Can you able to see this?
Yes.
I can do it by right click also. Go to right click, format chart title. Can you do this?
Yes.
So I think it's very easy. It's easy or not?
Easy. Yes.
Next one is formatting the axis. How you can format the axis? Go to the axis title. Primary horizontal axis, vertical. I already explained this one. Did I explain or not? Just 5 minutes back, I explained you
What, sir?
how you can write the horizontal axis name and vertical axis name.
Title.
Title, right, title. I explained or not?
Insert.
You go to the axis title, and if you want to write the horizontal, click on title below axis. If you want to write the vertical, then click on this one, vertical title. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Ojasvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is how you can do formatting the axis. How you can do? Just go to here. Next one, click on the chart to select it. Point the mouse at y-axis, right click on it and select the format axis. How you can do formatting? Right click and format axis. And you can also do it the formatting like this. Picture and
Full
texture.
color?
Right. You can see here. You can do also formatting. Are you able to see this?
Sir, why it is written AXIS?
Because I didn't change it, beta. You can change. Just change it. Students, marks.
Yes.
Are you satisfied right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one is formatting legends. I want to format this one. Click on here. Right click on and format legend. I think it's very easy. Very easy. It is easy or
Yes, sir.
not?
Yes.
You can do border color also. Border color like a solid line. You can see here. You can change the color also, red color. Just go here. You can see this line is of red color. Can you see this? Legend line color
Yes,
is red. Go to here. You can do every border style. You can do the border style like thick line. Okay, thick line. Square, round and close.
sir.
Yes.
Time is over.
Formatting data. Let me take one minute more and I will finish this chapter. Next one is formatting data series. So what are data series, beta? What are data series? You know this pillars is called data series. Do you know this thing or not? What are data series? Just go to the first video. Data series. Data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that show the data value. If there are multiple data series in the chart, each will have the different color or style. Do you know this thing? I explained in the very first class.
Yes.
So data series represent that pillars. Okay. So how you can format this? Right click on the data series. Just click on right and format data point. Then what happened? Right click on the data, select the format data series. Option from the shortcut menu, the format data point. Let me do it. You can see, you can also do it let me do this one. Let me format this one. Can you see this? This color is changed right now.
Yes.
The pillars color is changed right now.
Yes.
Format data series. You can see this.
Yes.
Okay. So right now this chapter is finished.
Yes.
This chapter is finished right now.
Finish.
And today I will send you the chapter 1 to chapter 4 MCQ true false and fill in the blanks answers. And the day after tomorrow, I will send chapter 1 and chapter 2 question and answer, and I will start a new chapter also, that are algorithm.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you students here, and you must watch the video also, Ojasvi and everyone, and write some
Yes.
comment. Students, do appreciate me also. If you like my video, then you should appreciate something. You
Yes.
should. Okay, thank you students, and if you face any problem, then you can write the comment also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.